How to generate traffic using StumbleUpon. StumbleUpon is a very popular and effective bookmarking site with low bounce rates that you can use to generate quality traffic to your website. StumbleUpon has a low bounce rate, which means that people who find their way to your site stay longer on your site, which is good for you as they spend time visiting your site's various pages and subscribing to RSS feeds. StumbleUpon is easy to use for generating traffic to your site. All you have to do is sign in at their website, and on clicking their Stumble button, you're taken to a site matching your interests, which you have to rate with a thumbs up or thumbs down. It's only after you become part of the StumbleUpon community by making friends with other StumbleUpon users that you'll be able to use it to promote your website traffic. Click the website of other StumbleUpon users to rate their site so that they'll also rate your site when you stumble upon products, services, or blogs from your website. By building your StumbleUpon profile, you'll look like part of a StumbleUpon community and not just a person looking to build website traffic, and thus making others interested in checking your recommendations for things. Create a StumbleUpon profile by filling out information about yourself and your interest and uploading an avatar that other business people with similar interests may relate with in order to trade links and banners with you for advertising reasons. You have to build up your StumbleUpon friends list, as it's only if enough people give your submitted site a thumbs up will it become popular. StumbleUpon friends will help increase your web traffic and web popularity as they rate your site with thumbs up as you do for them. If you have a blog, writing about StumbleUpon and having links to it on your website are effective means of generating website traffic to your site. With the help of these tips, you will start to stumble upon increased web traffic to your site.